Hello students, I am your online teacher Mrs. Deepali Motegaonkar. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today we are going to study the general science of standard 8th. We have started the second chapter, health and diseases. Let us recall what we have studied before. We have studied the different types of diseases. Some important diseases of present days, such as dengue, swine flu, AIDS. Some infectious diseases by through animals, rabies, and some non infectious diseases like cancer and diabetes. Today, we are going to study non infectious diseases, that is, heart diseases. Students, you know what are heart diseases? Efficiency of the heart decreases due to decreased blood supply and thereby oxygen and nutrient supply to the heart muscles. Due to this, heart has to perform more work that leads to stress on it. This may cause heart attack. If someone has heart attack, immediate consultation of doctor and treatment is necessary. Now let us discuss what are the symptoms of heart diseases. If you have these symptoms, then you should not ignore these symptoms. Symptoms of the heart diseases are severe chest pains, pains in shoulder, neck, arms, cramps in hand, uneasiness, tremors. Now, let us discuss the reasons of heart attack. The reasons behind heart attacks are smoking, alcoholism, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, lack of physical exercise, heredity, mental stress, anger, and anxiety. So these are the different reasons which causes heart diseases. Now let us discuss what are the cures for heart diseases. Now there are different methods in which heart diseases can be cured. Some of them are angioplasty, bypass surgery, open heart surgery, heart transplant, installation of stents, and installation of pacemaker. Now let us discuss these different ways to cure heart diseases. First is the angioplasty. This is the procedure to open a blocked or narrowed blood vessels that supply blood to your heart. A coronary artery stent is a small metal mesh tube that expands inside a coronary artery. You can visualize it through this video. You can see a blocked artery, then a balloon mounted catheter is inserted in the blocked artery. When the balloon is inflated, the artery gets wide up and the blood flow becomes easy. The next is bypass surgery. In this surgery, it redirects the blood around a section of blocked or partially blocked artery in your heart to improve blood flow to heart muscles. It involves taking a healthy blood vessel from your leg, arm, or chest and connecting beyond the blocked arteries in your heart. It can be seen in this short video how it has been done. So this is a bypass surgery. The next is open heart surgery. In this surgery, you are connected to heart lung machine during the whole surgery. Your heart is stopped and the machine does the work of your heart. That means machine adds oxygen to your blood, moves blood through your body and removes carbon dioxide. Next is the heart transplant. This is the surgery to remove the diseased heart from a person and replace it with a healthy one from an organ donor. The next is the installation of stent. This can be understood by this small video. In this method, doctor makes a small cut in blood vessel in your groin, arm or neck. Doctor then threads a thin tube called catheter through blood vessels to the blocked artery. The tube has tiny balloon at the end of it which gets inflated inside your blocked artery, and your artery is wide up so that the blood flow becomes easy. Next is the installation of pacemaker. A pacemaker is an electronic device that is placed under the skin in your chest to help control your heartbeat. If you have an irregular heartbeat, then a doctor implants a pacemaker in your chest. So students, these are the different cures for the heart diseases. But always remember, sometimes some people take the medicines without the prescription of a doctor, which is a misuse of medicine. Many of times some people over take overdose of medicines, but remember, this overdose of medicines may affect our body. So you do not take medicines without the prescription of doctor, and do not take medicines regularly without asking your doctor. This misuse of medicine may cause or may damage your nervous system, excretory system, liver. It may lead to nausea, stomachache, dysentery, rash, white patches on tongue. So students, always remember, when you fall ill, go to your doctor and take only the prescribed medicine for the prescribed duration. Now let us discuss what are generic medicines. Generic medicines are also known as general medicines. These medicines are manufactured and distributed without any patent. Production cost of these medicines is very low due to fewer expenses on the research, as their formula is readily available. But remember, these medicines are at par in quality with the branded medicines. You can easily obtain these generic medicines using your mobile apps like Health Card and Jan Samadhan. Download these apps on your mobile and use it if necessary. So students, since studying this chapter, you have understood now what are different types of diseases, what are their symptoms and the reasons which causes these diseases. So while discussing, you have understood that your lifestyle is very important, or it is very essential to live a healthy life to avoid diseases. Notice this healthy lifestyle includes your daily routine and the type of food you take in. Nowadays, habits like staying in bed till late morning, going to bed late in night, frequent changes in meal timings, lack of physical exercise, consumption of junk food, etc., have been increased, and due to this, such people are getting sick frequently. So, if the frequency of becoming sick is to be lowered, people should follow right lifestyle. It must include sufficient sleep, right food, yogasana, pranayam, and physical exercises. Now remember, physical exercises and pranayam or yogasana can be performed under the expert's supervisions. And one more important, vaccination. It is very important to prevent the infectious diseases. If you collect the vaccination schedule chart from nearby clinic and study it, you will understand which are the different vaccines to be given to prevent the different types of diseases. So thank you, students.